Hello everybody and welcome to Exponent Rules. Today we're going to be talking about brackets and their effect with exponents. Let's get started. Let's start with a problem. So let's say we have 7 cubed or 7 to the third power. Then we're going to throw some brackets on it and we're going to actually say that that itself is to the second power. We're going to try and square it. So what do we do here? Some of you might think we go back to the multiplication example where we would add these two exponents together. That would be kind of on the right track, but not quite. What we actually end up doing is we are going to multiply our exponents together. That's a little multiplication sign there. So we can write this as 7 to the third power times 2. Simple math is going to give us 7 to the 6th. Easy as that. But it would not be 7 to the 5th. 3 plus 2, no, we need to multiply them together. So let's look at another example. So we're getting used to seeing letters now, right? Letters representing variables. If we have let's say it's a to the 7th. So throw a big number in there. And that is cubed. So we've got a 3. Once again, all we got to think about it is timesing our exponents together, our 7 and our 3. So we can write this as a to the 7th times 3, which is equal to 21. The most important thing here is that when we've got an exponent outside of the brackets and an exponent inside the brackets, we are multiplying them together. So let's look at one more scenario. Let's say we come across, we've got our two brackets here. We've got 4 to the 4th, and we have 4 to the 2nd. And this is all cubed. What do we do here? So the same principle still applies. We are going to be multiplying our exponent outside the bracket, but what changes is we have to apply it to the both exponents inside the bracket. So we've got the 4 up here. We've also got the 2 down here. So let's start with the top. So we take the top half here and we go up. We can rewrite this as 4. I'm actually just going to erase this, make sure I don't confuse you. So right now I'm talking about the top there. So if you got 4 to the 4th, and I'm going to rewrite it as 4 to the 4th times 3, which is equal to 4 to the 12th. Now, if I focus on the bottom, we apply this 3 to the bottom, and I can then rewrite bottom here as 4 squared times 3, or 4 to the 2nd times 3, which is equal to 4 to the 6th. Not quite finished here. Now that I've taken care of the exponent, I'm going to combine these two down here, and I can rewrite, if I were to rewrite this expression, I would have 4 to the 12th over 4 to the 6th. And if we really, if we came across this question, it would say to solve. And since we have division, this would be like saying, remember with division, we subtract our two exponents. So we're going to subtract 12 from 6. This is like saying 4 to the 12th minus 6, which just so happens to equal 4 to the 6th. Thank you. And thank you for watching this video.